Most people think scientists learn faster because they are smarter, but that's not true. In fact, many famous scientists were not considered geniuses when they were young. So what's their secret? It's not intelligence, it's how they think. Scientists use a mental system that helps them understand complex ideas much faster than the average person. A thinking system that turns information into understanding. And once you learn this system, the way you learn new things will completely change. But here's the problem. Most people try to learn the wrong way. They read the same page again and again. They highlight sentences, they watch lectures, they memorize facts. It feels productive, but your brain doesn't learn well this way. Because your brain is not designed to store information, it is designed to solve problems. And this is where scientists think differently. Scientists don't just collect information, they investigate it, they question it, they test it. This is called scientific thinking. Instead of asking, "What is the answer?" scientists ask something more powerful. Why does this happen? This simple change forces the brain to build deeper understanding. And this is exactly how many great scientists worked. Take Richard Feynman, for example, one of the most famous physicists in history. Feynman believed that if you truly understand something, you should be able to explain it in simple language. So every time he learned a new idea, he tried to explain it as if he were teaching a beginner. If he couldn't explain it clearly, he knew he didn't understand it yet. So he went back, studied again, and simplified the idea. This process forced his brain to build stronger mental connections, and it allowed him to understand complex physics faster than most people. This idea later became known as the Feynman technique, and it's one of the most powerful learning systems ever discovered. The system is simple. Step 1. Learn the concept. Step 2. Explain it in simple words, as if you are teaching a child. Step 3. Find the parts you cannot explain. These are the gaps in your understanding. Then go back, study again, and simplify the idea further. Each time you do this, your understanding becomes stronger, and the information stays in your memory much longer. But most people never learn this way. They memorize information for exams, then forget it a few weeks later, and the cycle repeats again. But people who learn like scientists build something different. They build mental models, systems of understanding. This is why they can solve problems faster, connect ideas easier, and learn complex subjects more quickly. In a world full of information, the real advantage is not memorizing more facts. It is understanding how things work. And the earlier you learn this thinking system, the bigger your advantage becomes. While others struggle to remember information, you begin to understand it. And once you start thinking like a scientist, learning stops feeling difficult. It starts feeling natural, because you are no longer memorizing ideas, you are exploring them. So the next time you learn something new, don't just look for the answer, ask the deeper question. Why does this happen? Because that simple question is how scientists learn faster than everyone else. And it might completely change the way you learn too.